My name is Kimberley. I'm originally from Zimbabwe, but I consider myself South African. I have been studying and I've just completed the LL.M in International Commercial Law and Practice. I have been a practicing attorney for 10 years and a compliance practitioner and arbitrator for 4 years. I originally was attracted to the LL.M because it had an international aspect to it. And the company that I'm working for at the moment, we work and we facilitate a lot of discussions and transactions between the private and the public sector in Africa and international companies or investors. It was very good that it had an international edge to it, and I think the benefit for me was that I was going to be interacting with students from across the globe and sharing and having had insight into their experiences and their perspective. That's what really motivated me to do it. For me, the quality of the content and the interactions with the teachers and the students, the reading material as well was diverse enough to get an entire perspective. So it wasn't really just focused on the United Kingdom. It was very much global in its approach. And I think the highlight for me was that we'd constantly be questioned. And it obviously encourages deeper and further and broader discussions. And for me, that was the best part. Firstly, a glass of wine and frozen meals. Secondly, I think it's trying to draw as many connections between what you are studying and what you are practically doing and learning to benefit from that. But mostly it's just about managing time and prioritizing and staying focused. First of all, the course has benefited me intellectually, of course, because you're enriched with a huge amount of knowledge, which you didn't have beforehand. Personally, I think it's just great to have personal achievements where at my age, we don't often do things for ourselves. And it's great to have achieved something just for me. Professionally, it's wonderful to have a further insight into the international framework, which I'm part of in my professional life. It honestly feels incredible. And meeting my fellow students, meeting the educators has just been a cherry on the top as well. And to actually see people face to face, and who you've been dealing with for the last 2 years. I think coming to Edinburgh and having the local experience here is also incredible. And strangely enough, as soon as I got my mark, I just wanted to do more and start doing something all over again.